Hello everyone, this is a Team 5 I division. Among the all topics we chosen the interactive toys in minutes. The team members are Siddhanta Saptasagar, Sirinidhi Kulkarni, Rakshita RT, Abubakar Siddiq, and under the guidance of Mr. Kaushik Malibat sir, we are presenting the project for you.
In engineering exploration, we have a process that is known as engineering design process. It basically has 5 steps. First one is problem definition. Second one is conceptual design. Third one is product architecture. Fourth one is detailed design. Fifth one is design communication. So problem definition. It is a semi-automated voice-responding interactive toy. We named it Minutes. So the toy should be lightweight, rugged, and should not have any sharp edges. That is, it should be user-friendly. The machine should be portable. The kid should be able to use it like a digital clock, play games, and it should also play melodies when it is moving. The audio range should be over a meter. This toy has many functions like digital clock, play games, play melodies. So this toy can be found interesting by various age groups. Generated concepts. So we basically have 4 members and we created 4 concepts. According to the view chart, we selected one concept.
This is the final 3D model. These are the 3D parts that we have created. This is the upper part, middle part, bottom part, robotic arm, circuit box, axle and wheel. And this is the final assembled part. Here we are going to place LCDs, here speakers, here sensors, and in this box we are going to place batteries, motors and some other connections. And you can see the animated part here. As it starts the animation, you can see the rotation of the wheels. And the wheels can also rotate in the reverse order. You can observe that.
So this is basically the circuit part of the locomotion function. So basically when I push this push button, the toy will make certain sound and start to rotate. So basically it is rotating. Now the distance is 68.2 centimeters, but if the distance is less than 1 inch, then the toy will stop to rotate. So now the toy is stop rotating. And basically again if you increase the distance, the toy will start to rotate after some time.
So here's the circuit for the game that we are going to use in our interactive toy. So this circuit consists of an Arduino Uno, push button, LCD screen, resistor and few wires. So when we start the game, the screen displays to press the button to start. So this game is basic idea of the famous Mario game. So here we go. When we push the button, the game starts and the score starts increasing. So when we dash any obstacle, the score is displayed and the game stops. So we can press the push button again to start the game again. So when we jump over the obstacle, the score increases and thus the man keeps running. This is a very interesting game. And again, when we dash the obstacle, the game stops and the score is displayed. So here is the circuit for the clock that we are going to use in our interactive toy. So this circuit consists of an Arduino Uno, LCD screen, a small breadboard, piezo buzzer, few resistors, LED light, potentiometer and 4 push buttons and some wires. So as we can see, when we start simulating the circuit, it displays the time. So these 4 push buttons have different functions. When we push the first push button, we can set the time according to our convenience. During this, the other 3 push buttons are used to change the hour, minutes and the anti-meridian and post-meridian time. And now the second push button is used to set an alarm clock. So now let's set an alarm clock for 10:70. So now, as you can see, as the time approaches 10:17, the piezo buzzer will start buzzing and we can see the LED light.
And we learned from engineering exploration course. This course is always kept with the various new software and activities. We learned new software like Autodesk Inventor, Linkage software, GitHub website, Tinkercad software, and I would like to share the fact that our team members, they are really nice and helped us when we needed their help. We have put a lot of effort in the project and we are thankful to our guide Mr. Kaushik Malibhat sir for their guidance and providing the necessary information regarding our project, and we also for their support completing the project, and we would also express our gratitude towards the friends. Thanks for helping and supporting in the project completing our thank you.